Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our 2016 BMW M135i we have new in stock. This M135i is finished in black sapphire. You've got the optional privacy glass as an added feature, quite a nice spec as well as standard. You can see the M aerodynamic body styling, some silver painted accents. You've got the 18-inch 436 M style alloy wheels, the black kidney grills, daytime running lights with bi-xenon standard headlights. You've got LED tail lights, the dark chrome tailpipe finishes as well. You've got a Dakota leather interior with the optional lumbar support adjustment. You've also got the BMW navigation system as an optional feature and front and rear parking sensors. You can see access to that here on the center screen, as well as DAB radio. You can see some of the standard trim finishes throughout the interior. You've got your climate control functions here as standard. And in the rear of the car, you can see you've got plenty of boot space for any luggage you require. If you'd like any more information on this M135i, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.